G'day. Well, today at the Smart Energy Lab, we're starting the installation of this amazing GE inverter. Now, this is the GE Hybrid 10 kilowatt. It's a 10 kilowatt single phase inverter. That's an awful lot of grunt for a single phase inverter. But what really impresses me is the number of MPPTs. Now, if I get down here, we might be able to see there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4 MPPTs and a battery port as well. And there's our comms and meter, AC backup and AC grid. So this unit is going to be added to this installation, which currently we've got a small e-store system here. Now this has been working well, but it's a bit small on power. It's only delivering 2.5 kilowatts of backup capability, and so the customer here needs more backup. Now this is 10 kilowatts of backup. So we're actually going to put the e-store on the annex and the main 10 kilowatt GE inverter on the house. So giving plenty of grunt here. Now the other thing that really is nice about this inverter too is the built-in battery isolator, grid and backup isolators. So we've got those circuits already provided. So it reduces the number of isolation points that you need at the system. On the side here, we've got a bypass switch. Now, why that's a big deal, if you ever have a problem, say for instance there's a fault with the product, the batteries are dead, whatever, the PV's not working, you can just click to bypass and go straight to grid. You don't have to call an electrician out to rewire your house, so you've got power on again. And on this side, we've got a compliant integrated DC isolator, so that's great too. We don't have to put a DC isolator next to this system. So this is being added with the BYD HVM battery. I'll show you that in a minute. This is the BYD HVM battery. We've got the 4 module stack here, which gives us about 11 kilowatt hours of energy storage. Now this is going to be added to the GE 10 kilowatt hybrid. So that'll give us a lot of stored energy that we can use for backup. We can reserve a certain amount, but we can also use it for self-use. I love these batteries, the way they're modular, so you can, add more and more of them, up to I think total of 8. So that will give you around about 22 kilowatt hours storage in a high voltage battery stack. And one of the nice things about a high voltage battery too is cable sizes are small. You're only running, in this case, we're running 10 mil cable. You don't have the distance restrictions that you normally have with low voltage batteries where, suddenly 5 meters looks a long way. With these, they don't even have to be next to the inverter. But we're going to put it right underneath the GE 10 kilowatt hybrid. Anyway, that's what we're up to today here at the lab.